Marginal utility. There's a page like this on the micro primers that will help, and I'll use these numbers tonight as an example. So what marginal utility is, it's the term utility means your enjoyment or benefit from a product, and marginal means with each additional product you consume, you're going to have a different utility. So margin means just one at a time, each additional unit. So say with candy bars, your first candy bar has lots of utility, but that fifth candy bar has a lot less utility as you keep consuming them. So that's called a diminishing marginal utility. So we're going to compare two products here, tacos and chicken. And tacos will cost $2 each, and chicken will cost $3 each. And they all will have different utilities, especially when you buy more. If you buy 3 tacos, well, that third taco has less utility because you're going to get sick of tacos. So let me put this on the board, and it may help if you write this down just to remember how to do things. $2 tacos and $3 chicken. Okay, so we'll just make a table. Say we collected data on people, and this is their average utility. So in the first taco, a total utility of 10. Put 10U down there. 2 tacos would be 18 utils, and 3 will be 25 utils. Now these utils are hypothetical units on how to measure benefits, and these are totals. So for both tacos, you get 18 utils, and for 3 tacos, you get 25 utils. So that means we can calculate the marginal utility of each one. So I'll put MU for marginal utility. So when we go from 0 to 1, we gain 10 utils. But then when we go from 1 to 2, we only gain 8 utils. So you see how that works? Because these are like totals. And if we just jump from 10 to 18, we've added 8 utils for that second taco. So how many utils would that third taco add?
7.
Yeah, 7. So we have a diminishing marginal utility. So with chicken, we have 15, 28, 37. Utils. So the MU marginal is 15, and then 13, and then 9. So far we've calculated the benefit each additional product gives. Now, to be cost efficient, we should calculate the utils per dollar on each product, because we want to get the most bang for the buck. So the utils per dollar for tacos, each taco costs $2. We got 10 utils out of that first one, so that's 5 utils per dollar. Did you follow that?
Yep.
Because it depends how much the taco is. If it were only $1 a taco, then it would be 10 utils per dollar. But it costs $2, so it's going to be 5. Like 10 over 2 equals 5. So utils per dollar. Utils over dollar. Utils over dollar for 8 is 4 utils because we got 8 for $2. At third taco, we got 7 utils for $1, so that's 3.5 utils. Which means it's for every dollar we spend, we're getting less and less satisfaction out of it. Now for chicken, that $3, we get 15 utils, so that's 5 utils per dollar. For 13 utils, what does that come out to? 4.3. For 9 utils, 3.3 utils per dollar. Okay, so we can see we get different utils at some quantities. Now for tacos or chicken on that first one, I'm going to put TU for total utils here. They're both 5 utils per dollar, so we get the same bang for the buck, whether it's taco or chicken. Now chicken costs more, but we get an additional, 33% more utils out of that. So it comes out the same. So you're going to have a problem, say, if you only have so many dollars to spend. Say you had $8. 8 here. What is the best choice combination of products for your $8? So we have to start at, the first first ones, because we can't eat the second taco without eating the first taco. So you think we should buy a chicken or taco first?
No, they have the same value, right?
Yeah, they're both kind of worth the same per unit, so it doesn't matter. So let's buy a taco first. So we should keep track of what we spend. So $8. We buy one taco for 2, so we have $6 left, and we've accumulated 5. How many utils have we accumulated with that first taco?
Should be 10.
Yeah, 10. Okay, so this is used up. What should we buy next? We got $6 left.
We get 4.3 using chicken. Or would
Yeah,
we get the full amount?
but we also have this chicken for
Yeah,
5
could we
utils.
do we get the full amount if we buy chicken instead this time?
Well, we can buy, for our second product, we can buy chicken. Because we have $6 left. So I would buy chicken, and we have to start at the top because we can't buy the second chicken unless we had the first chicken. So, and also when we eat the first chicken, we're going to get more benefit out of it because it's new. So I'm going to choose the chicken next because that's the higher bang for the buck over any other choice over tacos. So I'm going to spend $3 and I have $3 left, and we've accumulated how many utils for the chicken only?
15.
Yeah. Okay, so with $3, what should we buy next?
Well, we'd have $1. $3. Yeah, let's go with the chicken again.
Yeah, we have to because that's the highest utils per dollar there, and we do have the $3. So that kind of brings us down to 0, but that's fine. So we have 0, and we've accumulated 13 utils there. Okay, so that logically is our best bang for the buck, and I guess you can make different combinations of things, make wrong choices, and add up the totals also. But we have, I guess, 38 utils here, and that's our best choice. So that's how you choose the best combination, say, of two products. You have to do the utils per dollar and see which is the most cost effective. That's pretty much it. So,
Does the utility of one side ever affect the utility of another?
yeah, it could, but that's doesn't take into consideration. This can't handle that, so you don't have to worry about that right now. But when you get into the real world, yeah, there's going to be some interaction effect, and yeah, you're right. Those two products could make the other product taste worse or better, depending on how you mix things and change your your utilities. So
And this is just worried about utility per dollar and nothing else, right? Nothing
yeah,
else is concerned. Okay.
nothing else. So don't think too much.
Okay.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for marginal utility. The same PowerPoint is on microprimers, and it's kind of an easy week. But starting next week, we'll get into cost, production, output, and kind of the last third of stuff, which is a lot harder. So make sure you kind of get all this middle stuff out of the way and get ready for the last third. Okay. All right. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
See you next week.
See ya.